This light is moving. It's on a light mover, and that saves me money. It allows the lights to spread across these trays to efficiently move the light. It essentially has a small wheel on the inside that drives along this track, and then when it hits the stop, which I've placed about 2 feet down the way here, so for instance, if I hit it to stop it, it will pause for about 30 seconds and then continue going back the other way, and this is an adjustable setting. This allows me to run less lights across these trays. And I also have one over here, and it's pushing all of these different lights down the way with one motor. And on this track, it's 4 lights being moved. Not only does it save me electricity, but I have to buy less lights, and I can space them further apart because this individual light is sliding currently to my left about 2 feet. So it's gonna hit this plant not just on these leaves when it gets over there, but it's gonna come across and hit this plant at all the different angles of the leaf. Here's a better angle of all of the tracks. And here's my middle track that runs up to 8 different lights. I started using these light tracks back in the cannabis days, and I never looked back. It has saved me thousands of dollars, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars in electricity costs. And it's just not cool to overuse electricity. We all want to be energy efficient. And this is a warehouse. I don't have any sunshine coming in. I'll link it down in the description, but it's a local company out of Colorado, and they've been super easy to work with. I'm sure you can get Amazon knockoffs, but all of these parts work together from the same company. I believe it's Light Rail or Gualala Robotics. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to share some of my secrets with you guys. So this is the Spider Farmer SLF 200, I believe. So it's like a double panel. And then this is the SLF 100, which is like a single panel. I believe this consumes about 100 watts. So across this entire 6-foot tray, I'm able to run just one light. So it does get dark at this side for about 30 seconds, but then this light comes back, and clearly the plants love it. So all that is just an extra trolley without a motor. It just has wheels, and it just slides along this track. And these are just bars from Home Depot that are screwed in to this 1-inch bar I dropped below. And there's our motor for the middle track. It just has simple hardware that attaches onto the bar. And here's a close-up of the trolley moving along. And then it's gonna stop right before the edge. And it makes it so this same Spider Farmer 200-watt light can run a 6x6 space in this tray and grow all these Spiritus Sancti. And if you ever have to adjust them, there's these little ratchets, and you can set the grow lights. The only part that I've ever had fail are the trolley wheels because of the weight that I'm pushing on that light rail, but I believe these are like 20 bucks on Amazon to get them replaced. Again, super high quality, made in Colorado. So I hope this addresses the question of whether or not the lights behind you are moving, because yes, they are. And yours should be too. It saves you money on electricity, and it also saves you money on investing in these lights because they're not cheap. So please click the like button down below if you learned something. Click subscribe, the big red button. It's free to you and it helps us out a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.